Hello there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Dorsey. Today we're in the kitchen. I'm going to be cleaning the microwave as well as the small toaster oven here in the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dorsey and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. To our regular subscribers, I just want to say a special thank you. I'm always so appreciative of your support. Now, let's get started in cleaning these two small appliances here in the kitchen. Come with me. Welcome to our kitchen. I am so excited that you're here today. I hope you'll put this video on pause right now and grab these items as I go over them with you, and let's clean our microwave and our toaster oven together. Let's get started. So the main items that I have here, one is the cleaning vinegar, and I'm sure you have some of that around the house. I have a bowl with some water. I have lemon here, I've just cut. I have a sponge, dishcloth, cleaning gloves. And because I'm going to be cleaning the outside of the microwave as well, I have a stainless steel cleaner here with the rags that go along with that. So let's get started on cleaning the inside of the oven. So I poured a cup of the white vinegar here in the water, and I'm going to put that in the microwave for 5 minutes. Seven more seconds to go, and if you look inside the microwave, you can see the water just boiling in that bowl right there. Time is up. I'm taking out the bowl now, and then I'm going to wipe the interior of the microwave. It's very hot. So with I'm going to wipe the interior here of the microwave, all the corners, the top. It has a really nice aroma right now. It smells really nice with that vinegar. I didn't use the lemon because I wanted just to use one. I could use either or, but I chose just to use the white vinegar. The microwave wasn't very dirty, but if it was, then I would put it in a little bit longer, let it boil maybe for another couple minutes. But I think 5 minutes was good enough. It smells really good in here. All the cake on areas are all clean. And so the interior looks really nice and clean. Now I'm going to use the stainless steel cleaner and polish to clean the outside of the microwave. So what I'm doing is I'm spraying it on this microfiber cloth, and I'm going to use it to wipe the outside here. And because this is so close to the oven here, once I clean one, I have to do not just the, not just the microwave, but I have to do the oven here as well. And because the refrigerator is just by the same area, I have to do the refrigerator here as well, so that everything looks really nice and clean. So this one is the one that I use the spray on. I know I use a dry one to give it a nice machine. I have to clean the oven as well. So the microwave is clean and both ovens on the outside are clean as well. Now let's go over to the toaster oven here. So for the toaster oven, what I'm doing right now, I've just cleaned the exterior and I've cleaned out the inside here. But what I'm doing now is I have it right by the sink, and I'm going to just take out the inserts, the two inserts here that usually have crumbs on there, and I'll wash these off, pull them out. Then I'll just wash them off here in the sink. So I've washed both trays here by the sink, and I'm putting them back in the toaster here. So they're both back in. And now I'm going to put the toaster back in this tray that we keep it in, because it's usually not kept on the counter. We just put in a cupboard because we don't use it as often. So here I am in the tray. I'm going to put the toaster back in the tray, and then it's all done. So the toaster oven is all clean, the microwave is clean, and everything is all ready for tomorrow's breakfast. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, that is if you have not already done so, and if you have, as usual, I want to say a special thank you. Always happy to have you on board. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you didn't get a chance to clean your microwave or your toaster oven, I hope you'll take the time sometimes within the next couple of days and get that done. It only took less than 15 minutes and everything is clean right here in the kitchen. Hope you're having a wonderful evening, and I really look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.